friends, welcome to Brainy Brian. Awesome. Today we are going to do a chemical reaction and learn about the states of matter. Who knows what the 3 states of matter are?
Watermelon.
Not watermelon, Blake. Theo. We have solid. And a solid is something that's what? Hard and together, right? We have, what's the second one? Anybody know the second one? Lily?
Tomato.
Tomatoes, not tomatoes. Blake? What is water or what is vinegar? It's a...
kind of vegetable.
Starts with an L. Look. Liquid. So we have a liquid. So we have 3 states of matter. Solid, hard, packed together. Liquid. You can move it around like that. And there's one more. It floats in the air. Theo?
Gravity.
Not gravity, but it does start with a G. Put it in your car sometimes. Gas. A gas is air and oxygen. It's all the kind of stuff we can't see really. Or sometimes it's like steam. You can see the steam. That's a gas.
Is it gas?
So we are going to learn that a solid, our solid is going to be baking soda, and a liquid, it's our vinegar, can you do a chemical reaction and make it a gas. And that gas is going to be carbon dioxide, and it's going to make a bunch of little bubbles and hopefully make a volcano. We're going to do fruit volcanoes today. Sound pretty cool, right?
Chop them up.
I'm not going to chop them up. They're already all ready. Mr. Brian has them ready. So,
How?
let's,
Are you okay, Madeline?
I'm okay, thank you.
But how are you going to slice the pineapple's tree?
Ready? With magic, ready?
What? No, it was.
Want to do the apple?
It was already sliced.
Ready?
It was already
Ready?
sliced, guys.
There we go.
Already sliced.
All right. See, Mr. Brian has the magic slices, like Mr. Strong. Slice, 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 slice. All right. So let's do it. Let's measure it. So guys, we found out we're gonna do some baking soda first. We're gonna put the baking soda in. I'm gonna put it in each one. Which one should we start with?
Watermelon.
So we're gonna do a tablespoon of baking soda in the watermelon, and we're gonna do a teaspoon of baking soda in the pear. It's almost a teaspoon. We're gonna put a teaspoon in the apple because they're littler. We don't want to put a whole bunch in. The little ones is gonna overflow.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put a tablespoon in the pineapple because they're bigger too. All right. How's that look, guys?
Good.
And we're done.
No.
No, of course not.
No.
Now we need. What was this again? Do you guys know what I said? It starts with V.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Thank you, Alex. Hopefully your guys' names are okay in the video.
Liquid.
What is it?
Liquid.
Liquid. Yeah. Can we all say liquid?
Liquid.
Nice.
Liquid
This is a what?
Vinegar.
Solid. Solid. Liquid.
Liquid has chemicals.
Yep. And they're all kind of chemicals, yeah. And they're going to do a chemical reaction. We're going to make a gas. And that's going to be in the form of little tiny bubbles. So let's see if we can do that. Which one should I do first? Which one do you think is going to be? Watermelon. Which one do you think is going to make the biggest? Watermelon. Let's do that last then if we think that's going to be the biggest. Let's do the little ones first. So, Mr. Brian's spilling vinegar because that's what happens. Alright, we're going to do a 1/4 cup in the little ones. Yeah, like the elephant toothpaste makes tiny bubbles. That's right, Marcus. It's going to be a different chemical reaction with vinegar and baking soda. Are we ready? Count me down. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
It did green.
Is it green?
Maybe the red one would do red.
Maybe. We'll see. Maybe Mr. Brian put food coloring in it. Who knows? That pretty cool, right? Not bad. All right, so that was the pear. Apple time?
Did you put food coloring in it?
Yes, I did, Alex. Don't tell anybody.
You put in food
Oh,
coloring.
you're telling the whole... Don't tell everyone the secrets. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Should I eat it? No, you don't eat it. What's next? Should I do watermelon or pineapple? Pineapple? All right. That's going to put a lot more in that one. This is bigger, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
It's gonna make the biggest one ever.
Maybe.
No, the
So we're going to do almost full cup. I'm gonna do 3/4 of a cup here. Probably about 3/4. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go! It's all blue.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. Should I put the lid back on?
Put the apple lid back on.
All right, put the apple lid back on. There we go. I'll do the last one. Should we do the? This is
Which color is gonna be?
cantaloupe, right? Yeah, it's a cantaloupe. Okay.
Or purple.
No, it's a watermelon. Oh, what is this color gonna be? I wonder. Let's see.
I think it's gonna be.
Let's see. Where's it gonna come out of? I don't know.
Purple. Maybe half an inch.
Oh, right. Let's see, friends. Ooh.
That is. No. Oh, it's gonna be purple.
Let's switch hands, Mr. Brian. It's not made for a lefty. Whoop. 3, 2, 1.
Put the top back on.
Put the top back on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh.
Science! All right, friends, I think that's all we have right now. Bye-bye.